How to find archived mail on Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail. And say for example that I have some archived mails like this one right here. I will just swipe to the left on the mail to archive it, or I will click and hold on it, and then from the options at the top I will click on archive. And now I want to find them. All what I need to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and then click on all mail. And here, as you can see, you will find all of your mails. The archived mails won't have the inbox icon on them. As you can see right here, there's no inbox icon, and the other ones will have the inbox at the bottom right corner of the mail. It means that it's not archived, while the other ones who don't have the inbox icon, it means that they are archived. So that was it for this video. That's how you can view and find the archived mails on your Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.